In order to reset codes for the garage, first thing you need to do is Google Liftmaster Security Plus compatibility chart. So I'm going to click search, and then I'm going to click on that. Oops. All right, so this comes up, and the first thing you have to look for is a Security Plus with the purple code. You have a purple Learn button. Then you've got to find your remote control here based on the product model, which is on this side. Once you have that, then you can come out to the garage. All right, so I'm gonna set it so this second button opens the garage. So first thing I'm gonna do is hold that down. Hold that down. Next thing I'm gonna do is hold the light key down, and then I'm gonna hold the white button, all three at the same time. And you couldn't see it, but the light blinked. That means that your remote is now set.